All right, guys, what I've done is I've put plans together that includes how to build both machines. So basically, it's a bundle. I've taken all the content and I put it under one package, if you will. So what that means is you can build the Harbor Freight over here, you can build a wood cabinet over here, or you can pretty much buy any metal sandblasting cabinet, used, new, whatever, and you can use the parts and the techniques used in these plans to build that machine. Okay, a ton of people have done that with those plans. Also, if you have a retail machine that is a bare model or one of the lower end models that has, pretty much no features, less features than this thing has, you can upgrade that machine with all the information and parts that I have here, okay? And that would greatly reduce the cost. I mean, the retail machines, the price gap is like $5,000. Well, these parts don't cost $5,000 and they're pretty easy to add on to any machine, okay? So there you go. If you want to upgrade a retail machine, these plans would do that. Okay, so you're probably going to look at the bundle price and go, whoa, that's kind of a lot of money. But here's what I want to tell you. When you view the parts list for this guy, it brings the overall cost of the machine down. Okay, I used a lot of components on here. I found a more inexpensive way to build the control box. All the plumbing's cleaner. You're going to use less overall parts, less vendors, so it's less of a headache, more of a convenience. So if I were to redo the Harbor Freight or any machine, if I were to build any machine all over again, I would build this control box, okay? I would use all the plumbing on this guy for whatever cabinet, okay? And it'll bring the cost down. It's simpler and so forth. Okay, so both plans, if you take all the video content and add it together, it's like close to 18 hours of video, 20 to 30 PDF documents, all sorts of info on how to build one of these. You can apply that to any machine. Okay, guys, so that's all I wanted to mention in this video. The bundle plans will be in the upper right in the iCard or in the video description. If you have any questions, please comment below.